Hello everyone, welcome to Dreamy English Stories. In this video, you will practice your English listening skills using the shadowing technique. Listen carefully. Pause the video when you need. Repeat each sentence after me. And before we begin, if you enjoy calm English stories like this one, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily English listening practice. Now, let's begin. The story is called I Got Lost in the Forest. My name is Anna. I am 29 years old. I live in a small town near the mountains. I work as a graphic designer, mostly from home. I spend a lot of time indoors, on my computer, in silence. That is why I love nature, especially forests. The forest near my town is quiet and beautiful. Tall trees, soft ground, fresh air. I often go there on weekends to clear my mind. But one day, a simple walk changed everything. It was a Saturday morning. The weather was perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. I packed a small backpack, water, a sandwich, my phone. I told myself, I will only walk for 1 hour. I entered the forest around 10 o'clock. At first, everything felt normal. Birds were singing. Leaves moved gently in the wind. I walked slowly, enjoying the sound of my steps. I didn't notice how much time passed. After some time, I realized something strange. The path looked different. The trees were closer together. The light was weaker. I stopped and looked around. I don't remember this place, I said quietly. I took out my phone. No signal. I felt a small wave of fear, but I stayed calm. It's okay, I told myself. I'll just go back. I turned around and started walking in the opposite direction. 5 minutes passed, then 10. Nothing looked familiar. My heart started beating faster. I stopped again. The forest was very quiet now. Too quiet. No birds, no wind. I listened carefully. Only my breathing. I checked my phone again. Still no signal. Battery 42%. I tried to remember the path, but all the trees looked the same. Tall, brown, endless. I felt small. I sat down on a rock and took a deep breath. Think, I said to myself. I remembered something I once read. If you are lost, stop walking. So I stayed where I was. I drank some water and waited. Minutes passed. Nothing happened. The light slowly changed. It was getting darker. I stood up again. I need to move, I said. I chose one direction and walked slowly. I marked trees with small stones so I wouldn't walk in circles. After a while, I heard something, a sound, not an animal, not the wind, footsteps. My heart jumped. Hello? I called. No answer. The footsteps stopped. I felt scared, but also relieved. At least I wasn't alone. I walked toward the sound, carefully, slowly. Then I saw her, an older woman, standing between the trees. She was wearing a long jacket and holding a walking stick. She looked calm. Are you lost? She asked. Her voice was soft. Yes, I said. I think I am. She nodded. You walk too far, she said. This forest is easy to enter but hard to leave. I felt tears in my eyes. I didn't mean to, I said. She smiled gently. Most people don't, she replied. She pointed behind her. There is a small path there, she said. It leads back to the main road. I looked where she pointed. I couldn't see the path. It's hidden, she said. You only see it when you stop rushing. I followed her slowly. She walked calmly, as if she knew every tree. We didn't talk much, but I felt safe. After some time, I saw something familiar. A wooden sign, a wide path. I recognized it. This is it, I said. The woman stopped. Go this way, she said. You'll be fine. I turned to thank her. She was gone. I stood there, confused. Maybe she walked away quietly. Maybe she was never really there. I don't know. I walked back to my town as the sun was setting. I was tired, dirty, hungry, but safe. That evening, I sat at home with a cup of tea. I thought about the forest, about how quickly things can change. I realized something important. I had been rushing in life, always thinking and always working, never stopping. The forest forced me to slow down, to listen, to breathe. Sometimes we get lost because we move too fast. And sometimes getting lost is the only way to find calm again. Now listen to the story again. Pause after each sentence. Repeat using the shadowing technique. This will help you improve your English listening and speaking skills. If you enjoyed the story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more calm English stories like this one. Thank you for listening. See you in tea.